Hey everybody, it's day 60 of 100 Days of Drawing and Doing. Just a quick update. I had a really busy day, long day, and so I didn't feel up to inking those drawings today because I feel like I need to be more focused and excited about it, and so I wasn't. So I just did a little pencil sketch, some pencil sketching today from some characters from a little video game called Chasm. So drew off of a little flyer thing that I got for backing on my Kickstarter, and then did another little pose of the same character. So anyways, that's it for now. See you tomorrow.